Thanks to all of you. Many thanks.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys for choosing me to cook in the cook-off.
Well, it was a rainy night for grilling, but we had fun out here nonetheless. And many thanks to Black Salt Company. Really enjoyed these salts. The ones I used tonight were the roasted garlic, the black truffle, and the wild porcini. They were delicious, and it was a fun and beautiful product. So anyways, thanks to all of you. Thanks to Michael and the rest of the team for organizing the cook-off. Pleasure to be a part of it, and good luck to everyone participating in it. All the best.
Quick shout out to Black Salt Company. I had a great time using the roasted garlic. I used that in the potatoes, and I used it also on the stuffed mushrooms. It was pretty amazing. Appreciate you sponsoring this, and looking forward to the next round, hopefully. Thank you guys.
Hey everybody, it's Carrie from Morgan Ranch in the windy sandhills of Nebraska. The Fellowship of the Grill Cook-Off to Summer has been sponsored by Black Salt Company from the Pacific Northwest. Thank you guys for choosing me to cook in the cook-off, and thank you to Black Salt for sending me some great product to use.